जशनजोत कौर सिद्धू जी।
कहाँ से हैं आप?
जीरा फिरोजपुर।
ट्रैक्टर आप साथ लेके आए हैं?
हाँ जी हाँ जी, ट्रैक्टर ट्राली नाल लेके आए हैं।
तो यहाँ पे जो जो प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, स्पेशली विमेन को जो प्रॉब्लम है सैनिटेशन की वजह से, तो उसमें आपको भी कोई दिक्कतें आई?
ਜੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਸੈਨੀਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਰ ਵੱਡੀਆਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਬਲਮ, ਇਹ ਨਿੱਕੀ ਨਿੱਕੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਖੇਤਾਂ 'ਚ ਹੀ ਤੁਰੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ। ਇਹ ਜਿਹੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਾਹਲਾ ਫਰਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਂਦਾ।
थोड़ा सा आप हिंदी भी बोलेंगे because audience.
If you don't know Hindi, English.
I can do English, yeah, I don't have a problem with that. We have bigger problems than a sanitation issue. We live in farms, so we stay there and like in the sand and dirt all the time, so we don't have any issues with that. But we are gonna come on road, so we're not gonna have any sanitation. We're not gonna have a roof on our heads if we are not here. So that's not a big deal for us. We have it's like ride or die for us at this point.
So you have seen that the conditions are very bad. So do you think that government should take the onus and they should send sanitation workers here or something like that?
Well, if you're talking about government should take these laws back. So we wouldn't have to be here. We would be in our homes and there would be no sanitation problem. So if sanitation we're talking about, that's we're already taking care of between ourselves. All of us are here. We're doing our best. We're not asking for food. We're not asking for money. We are providing for ourselves. We're not even taking water from Delhi. We're drinking our own water. So we don't have issues with anything. We're not asking anything from government. The only thing that we are asking is please take these laws back so we can head back to our homes. We can do what we were doing.
So
Get back.
the way government is portraying the farmers as if they are eating pizzas or they are having foot massages, what do you have to say about that?
Where did the pizza come from first? We grow that wheat.
Yeah.
So, excuse me, we gave you the pizza in the first place. So, yes, we are eating with our own money. And it's not, okay, Modi is saying that these laws are going to be beneficial and we farmers don't understand them. Somebody asked them, these laws happened in Bihar in 2006. And 14 years, if though we're not making these things up from ourselves. Those laws have already been done. Mandi system has already been taken up. Like the Mandi system has been already scrapped from Bihar. Those farms are forced to come to India, come to Punjab, work for us. Why are they working if your laws are so beneficial? Why doesn't he answer for that part?
So government says that it is just that farmers are being distracted. They don't understand it, or they don't know what the advantages would be. So what do you say about
The first government that happened before we even became an independent country was Maharaja Ranjit Singh, Shere Punjab. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਾਜ ਸਿੱਖਣਾ ਨਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਸਿੱਖੋ ਕਰਨਾ. So if Maharaja Ranjit Singh, he was a Punjabi. We have been doing this for years to come, and Sikh regiment that goes there fights. They understand. It's not uneducated people. Our elders, and I'm not even talking about the younger generation. Our elders are more educated. If you listen to some of the people that have been talking through the interviews, I've been listening to them, and I was shocked myself. I was like, oh my God. So we are not a illiterate country. Why did the Bihar not protest? Because some of the people there might not have understood those laws, and that's why they were able to push it under the table. And now, if they were like, okay, these people are not understanding, if they knew that these laws are actually beneficial, why didn't they discuss us with us first? Why didn't they put those farmers on the round table, be like, hey, this is what we're going to send, this is what we're trying to do, what do you have to say? If he was so honest that those are beneficial for us, he should have done it. He didn't do it.
So now that government is saying we are ready to talk and the farmers are not cooperating with us, so are you going to extend
We have been going to all the meetings. They even went to when they said like, hey, we are going to give you the condition that we are going to give, when they did the e-bill of all the of what the details were, they even went to go take it. Our only request is take these back. There's no modification. He is not on the ground. He's not with the farms. None of the ministers that were there present who, when they passed the bill, knew how the farmer system actually works. They need to come to the ground. They need to ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ ਆਓ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਬੈਠੋ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੋ. ਜਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਕਿ ਉੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. If you don't know that, then come and talk to those people. ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਲਾਅ ਪਾਸ ਕੀਤਾ, ਜਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉੱਥੇ ਬਿਠਾਉਂਦੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦੇ ਵੀ ਆਹ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਹੋਈਆਂ. ਉਹ ਕਾਹਤੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਸਹੀ ਹੈ. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕੰਮ 2 ਮਿੰਟਾਂ 'ਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਨਾ, ਉਹ 'ਚ ਚੋਰੀ ਹੈ, ਨਿੱਕੀ ਜੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ. ਉਦੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ. If we knew, again I'll repeat the same sentence third time, if they knew, He should have talked to them first. He shouldn't have done it within 4 hours. That's it.
They are saying that we haven't ended APMC or mandis or MSP
Okay.
yet. So why the farmers are protesting? I don't know why there is a lack of trust.
There's
between
no,
farmers
it's
and
not
government.
about lack of trust. We know what's going to happen. Okay, they're telling you mandi system is going to still be there, but private sector can come and they can ride along with mandi system. Tell me, if somebody's offering you 1,000 rupees for something and somebody's offering 2,000 at one point, what are you going to do? You're going to take the 2,000 at that time? This is going to happen for 2 years maximum, that we'll get more money for our crops. After that, what's going to happen is mandi system is automatically going to dissolve and they don't get any. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਦੁਕਾਨ ਹੈ 2 ਦਿਨ ਬੰਦਾ ਆਊਗਾ 4 ਦਿਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਊਗਾ 5 ਦਿਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਹੀਨਾ ਸਾਲ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਮੰਡੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਆਪ ਹੀ ਖਤਮ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੰਡੀ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਖਤਮ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਣੀ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ we are on the hands of private sector. First thing, farmers don't have that much storage space. We have 1 or 2 trolleys each house. ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਖੜੇ ਕਿੰਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛ ਲਓ ਕਿਸੇ ਕੋਲ 1 ਟਰਾਲੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਕੋਲ 2 ਟਰਾਲੀ ਕਈ ਮੰਗ ਕੇ ਲੈ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਵੀ ਯਾਰ ਇੰਨੀ ਦੇ ਦੇ ਅੱਜ ਕਰ ਵੱਢ ਲਈਆਂ ਸੀ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ how much storage space do we have? So if private sector today, and they gave rules, they passed a rule that private sector can hoard. ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ ਸਮਾਨ ਇਕੱਠਾ ਕਰਕੇ ਰੱਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਝੋਨਾ ਵੱਢਦੇ ਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਆ ਕੇ ਕਹਿ ਦੇਣ ਵੀ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਝੋਨਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੈਣਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ 2 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਝੋਨੇ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਪੈਣੀ ਆ ਅਸੀਂ ਝੋਨਾ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਰੱਖਾਂਗੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪਦੀ ਕਣਕ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਰੱਖਾਂਗੇ so that is where we are going to lose. So ਫਿਰ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਅਸੀਂ ਰੱਖ ਵੀ ਲਈ ਫਸਲ ਤਾਂ ਖਰਾਬ ਹੋਣੀ ਆ 2 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਦੀ ਵੱਢੀ ਪਈ ਆ ਫਿਰ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ ਵੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਫਸਲ ਖਰਾਬ ਅਸੀਂ ਰੇਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਣਾ ਫਿਰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ simple look at Bihar is an example of what's going to happen to Punjab in next 14 years. Today Bihar is in 14 years from 2006, that's where Punjab is going to be in 2034. So
sorry, just last
Yeah.
question. You come from Punjab while driving this tractor.
Yeah.
So normally in India we don't see women driving tractors, at least in North India or Delhi. So there's a stereotypical view that only men can drive tractors.
No.
So how do you see this?
my father,
And if you can please tell from where you have come and
Okay.
what was the timing when you started? From
I'm in Canada right now.
Okay.
So, but my father, Sardar Gurtej Singh Sarpanch Mia Sangala, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ 2 ਮਹੀਨੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਮੌਤ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ he started I sat on a tractor for the first time when I was 7 or 8 years old. And ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਨਾ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਾਡੀ ਜੜ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗਾਂ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਜਾਓ and he did it all the time like when I would go to Chandigarh he would send me himself he was like ਤੂੰ ਜਾ ਮੈਂ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਬਾਅਦ ਚ ਲੈਣ ਆ ਜਾਊਂ all of my fees he would ask me to fill in myself so he kind of tried to make me independent since I was young. So he did with my sister as well. So it was my father's thinking that now I drive car, I drive every like even ਜਦੋਂ ਦੇ ਪਾਪਾ ਪੂਰੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਉਦੋਂ ਦਾ ਵਾਈ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਨੇ ਸੰਭਾਲਿਆ so I'm not here because I need to say something because these things are happening and I support it. I'm directly affected by it. ਹੁਣ ਮੰਡੀ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਲਓ ਜਦੋਂ ਪਾਪਾ ਪੂਰੇ ਹੋਏ ਸੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਭੋਗ ਵਗੈਰਾ ਦੇ ਚੱਕਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਸੀਗੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਆੜਤੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਸੀ ਜਿੱਦਣ ਸਾਡਾ ਝੋਨਾ ਵੱਢਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਚੱਕਿਆ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਵੇਚਿਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਦੋਂ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਆੜਤੀਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਕੀਤਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਪੈਸੇ ਮਿਲ ਗਏ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਾਹਰੋਂ ਆਏ ਸੀ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਪਤਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ ਕੀ ਹੈਗਾ ਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਪਰ ਇਹੀ ਅਗਰ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਵੇਟ ਸੈਕਟਰ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਰੋਲਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਘਰ ਦੇ ਉਸ ਟਾਈਮ ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਦੇ
So you don't see tractor to be associated with gender at all?
No, it's not. We are all equal. Yes, there are certain roles for everybody, but that's how we did it. Nobody specified. Nobody came and told you like, hey, you're a girl, that's what you have to do it. But yes, I'm not saying that people's thinking people should change. Girls can, you can see now a lot of girls in India, they are actually, they'll go out to farms. I have heard about stories, I don't know, I haven't met them, but I've read stories about girls who have 50 to 60 acres, they handle it themselves, they'll work with their workers, some of them like even work themselves. And me and my sister have been doing it since last 2-3 months.
So you have come along with your sister on this?
My sister, my grandfather, we brought a trolley, so there are like other people from my village too. My father has been doing it for last, when he passed away, even 3-4 days before that, like I heard his phone conversations and he was still attending meetings. So if he was taking those things, we are here just to support that, just to take that forward.
how long was the journey when you started and you reached here?
We started in the evening at 3-4 p.m. and we reached the next morning around next afternoon around 1. We stopped a little bit on the way, but on tractor you have to drive slow. You can't go above 25. So yeah, so it took us
How long
almost.
have you been here in this place?
We have been here for last 5-6 days, and we'll stay a little bit longer, and then we'll do the shifts. Somebody else will come. We'll go back, and then they'll come.
So you have somebody at home who's managing the work right now?
My mom and my grandmother. Yes.
Just your name and last name.
Jashanjot Kaur Sidhu, daughter of Gurtej Singh Sidhu.
From?
Mia Singh Wala, Jeera, Firozpur.
Thank you.